All right, so the coin we are covering today is Elrond, or the EGLD token, which is having a nice little run up over the past couple of days, following some very bullish developments for the very promising Layer 1 blockchain that is designed for distributed apps and enterprise level businesses. At least that's how they describe themselves. I think probably a better way to explain Elrond is that it is a highly scalable, low fee, carbon negative Layer 1 that is capable of eventually handling more than 100,000 transactions per second with transaction costs of just a fraction of a penny. Currently, it's about 0.001 cents. And I don't know about you guys, but whenever I hear Elron, I just immediately think of L. Ron Hubbard and like crazy Tom Cruise jumping on couches and stuff. But that's probably just me. But the blockchain project, not the Scientology project, has a lot going for it lately. Definitely with the announcement yesterday that they will be partnering with Cardano to become the first non-native cross-chain collateral asset on Cardano. So this will add the ability to transfer digital assets between Cardano and Elrond, bridging the gap between both ecosystems, which is pretty amazing. And for sure, one of the reasons eGold is up about 9% today to about $263 per eGold, and their market cap has just surpassed 5 billion, which does seem pretty lofty. It's come a long way in over the last year, but even when you compare that to the market caps of the other layer ones in the space that they're competing with, like a Cardano that's at 73 billion, Solana at 50 billion, Terra at 18 billion, Avalanche 14 billion, you can start to make a case that Elrond, for all it's got going, still has a lot of room to run here. Obviously, not financial advice. Do your own research. I'm not a financial analyst, et cetera, et cetera. But as they continue to build out their DeFi ecosystem, I think the sky is the limit. Elrond just passed 800,000 wallets, and eGold is now 60% staked. And on the DeFi side of things, they also just partnered with the Panther protocol that will enable private DeFi and interchain swaps. This will bring interoperable privacy and more like compliancy friendly disclosure mechanisms to Elrond, which will be much needed as governments continue to crack down on non KYC DeFi. Essentially, kind of offering an additional layer that will allow your DeFi strategies to remain private. And they'll be creating the first privacy focused DEX or decentralized exchange, which is very cool. So the work Elrond is doing in DeFi and further development with their Myar wallet is just hugely bullish for the project, and we've certainly seen how major DeFi traction and growth has bolstered the likes of Solana and Terra and Avalanche's growth and traction lately. And I suspect once we start seeing those big, kind of like future VC investments around providing liquidity in those kind of programs for Elrond's network, that will cause a similar surge in price that we've seen with those other protocols over the last couple of months. Man, I cannot talk today. But also, Elrond recently announced on September 9th last month that U.S. residents can now purchase eGold tokens directly through the Myar app, thanks to their integration with MoonPay. And also, Elrond got a big boost last month with the announcement that KuCoin would be listing eGold, and I'm predicting, or still predicting, that Coinbase will sometime this quarter list Elrond. That there's just way too much developer activity and adoption and kind of existing Coinbase user interest that I can't imagine it won't. So yeah, look for that to probably happen sometime this month. They're really, other than Avalanche, they're probably the only other big player that's not on Coinbase yet in terms of the other big competing layer ones. So I can't imagine that's not going to happen. But yeah, let us know if you guys are holding Elrond and eGold, and let us know what you think of all the new progress they're making on the DeFi side of things. But yeah, the English language is very, very tough for me today. Yeah, give us a like and subscribe if you are watching on YouTube. If you're watching on the iTunes and the Spotify's, give us a rate, a review. And yeah, if you guys want to check out BlockFi, they got the new credit card. You get 3% back if you use that link down below. You get 3% back for your first, I think, 3 months. And then also, if you want to check out the BlockFi savings account, use that link to get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you use that link to sign up for BlockFi. But anyway, everyone have a great weekend. Enjoy your Friday and Saturday and Sunday. And we'll be back tomorrow with another coin analysis right at 5 minutes. We killed it. There we go.